What is up, my slimes? We're a little bit late getting into this game. We are already under attack. So let's see if we can get going here. We gotta get going real quick. It's scary out here. I wonder how close those shots were. I should have just killed the captain. Oh, that's way too far ahead. That dragged. Oh, maybe not actually. Oh, I'm dumb. Oh shit, he's close as a bitch. Damn, that's not good. Oh my gosh, did everyone die over here on my team?
Is on fire.
Holy shit.
Problem solved, sir.
Holy shit. Oh, did I get him? Did I get him? Go, go, go. Let's go. That's big, that's big.
Destroyer blown up. There's the starboard. Torpedoes astern. Ship is on fire. We're holding below the waterline.
I'm dead.
Flooding quickly.
Alright, not bad for not playing at the start. And being in the most fooked position of all time. Well, thanks for watching. Have a good day or night. I love ya.